Downloading MT4 on a Mac is a slightly different process. If you go to your browser and type in AxiTrader MT4 download for Mac, you'll find a link to place the download. Remember, AxiTrader is just a chosen broker, for example, and you can choose any broker that you wish. MT4 for Mac. We'll have the option to try a free demo account. Okay, again, you'll have to fill in your personal details in the box on the right hand side, and then MT4 will be sending you an email to make the download. This process can take a couple of minutes, and you will find an email in your inbox which will allow you to make the download. Feel free to watch the setup videos in your own time, which will help you with the process, but we aim to explain that all to you just now. Following the MT4 email that came through via AxiTrader, you'll have the option to download for Mac. Making sure you select the correct one, you can start the download. Open with the default setting and click OK, and the process will take place. This will take a few minutes, best to be patient. Once this box appears, you want to drag AxiTrader MT4 into Applications and drop it inside. It's now copying the file into Applications. Once the MT4 is dropped into Applications, if you go to your Finder and go to Applications, once in Applications, if you right click AxiTrader MetaTrader and go to Open, it will then start to load up. It's essential that you do it in this format, otherwise it may cause additional confusion with security settings. A box has now appeared and we're going to click Open. On the very first load up, this could take a bit longer than expected, just be patient with it. And here we have AxiTrader MT4 loaded up on our Mac. We're going to need to open an account very simply by choosing the demo option, which is the only demo option available, and click Next. And make sure we're on the demo option again and clicking Next. We have an area here to fill in some personal details. At this stage, as it's just a demo account, you can pretty much type in anything. It's not that required at this stage to give accurate details. Obviously, if this was a live account, it would be a different scenario. And then account type, we're going to go for a US dollar standard account, a deposit of $10,000, just for argument's sake, leverage 1 to 100, and we'll have to agree to the subscription. And if we click Next, we have our account number and details. It's best to take a photo or take a note of these numbers down. It's quite useful for us if we were to attach our account to any third-party verification website such as MyFXbook. And we can click Finish, and our account is fully set up. Now that MT4 is downloaded on our Mac, we can use it just like any other Windows device, and please feel free to check out videos regarding the basic usability and functionality of MT4.